Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I am back again with one of the SQL interview question, and this question has been asked in one of the interview, and interviewer also given me enough time to think and write the query. Also, I have to discuss the approach later. Okay, so the question goes: we have to find the rank of all the team. Okay, so before going into the question and rules, we will check the table that has been given to us. Okay, so this is the table. The table one contains match ID, winning team ID, losing team ID, and goals won by. Okay, so the data has been given to us. Also, the second table has team ID and also the team name. And based on some rules, we have to generate the output like this, in which rank would be there and team name would be there. Okay, so we will now see the rules and question. Okay, I will just read the question for you. In a football tournament, some data is recorded. Okay, now for every winning team gets a point and the losing team loses a point. Okay, now at the end of the tournament, a rank is given to all the teams based on their points. Okay, the total points of team can be go negative. Okay, also for assigning the rank, the two rules should have followed by us. The first is the total points should be ranked from highest to lowest, and the second is if two teams have the same total points, then the team would with higher number of winning goals would be ranked higher. Okay, आई थिंक आप लोगों को आइडिया लग गया होगा अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. So I will quickly go to approach, and I have also break it down how we will solve this question. Okay, now I have filtered the team uh, for team ID 1001. Okay, now I have filtered the data from uh, the data that has been given to us for only team 101 1001. Okay, now they played 12 match. Okay, now in 12 match they have won 7 out of 12 they have won. So this one table I have created in which the winning point would be there, and if team is winning the match, then we have to give them 1 point. Okay, that's why 7 points. And if they are winning the match, then we have to calculate the total winning goals uh, won by that team. Okay, so this is just a sum of that team goals won by. Okay, now again I have created one table for losing points, losing match point. Okay, as we can see, they lost 5 match, so the lost match point would be -5, and if they are losing the match, then we don't have to calculate the winning goals. Okay, and again using union all, we will append the data to data, and then the final data would be like this. Okay, in which the final winning goals is 15, 15 plus 0 is 50, and final match points is 7 minus 5 is 2 for this team. Okay, so I have explained it, and I think आपको समझ आ गया होगा. So second case is 1003, in which they won only one match for plus 1, and they lost -8 match for -8. Now, so the total is output would be 1 total winning goal and -7 match points for 1003. Okay, now we will see the approach what we will follow to solve this question. Okay, now the first is we have to sum the winning goals, the actual winning goals if team are winning, and we have to assign +1 point to them. Okay, now we have to calculate the lost points if they are losing, uh, if any team is losing, so this is losing team. Okay, though winning goal would be 0. In if they are winning the match, so we will calculate the actual sum, and if they are losing the match, we will calculate the we will give it assign it by 0. Okay, and the match point would be -1. Okay, now again we will use the union all to append both the result, and we will store the results in some CT. Okay, now again what we will do, we will use the group by condition to get the final match point and final goals point of each team, and we will also join it with the team details to get the team name, as in the output itself we have to get the team name and ranking. That's why I am joining the team details table. Okay, and finally we will use the dense rank condition to rank the team by total point descending and by winning goals descending, because there were two uh, condition given to us for ranking the team. Okay, I hope uh, you have understood the question. So I will just go to the SQL server and write the query whatever I have explained. Okay, so I already created the table, the match record tables and team details table. Okay, as you can see here. So we will write the query first. Okay, the first is select. We will use the winning team here, winning team underscore ID. Okay, and we will sum the total, sum the goals won by, goals underscore won underscore by, and we can give some alias to it, winning underscore goals, and also we will sum the mm, match point. Okay, so sum of 1 as match points from this match record table. Okay, and again we are using the group by this winning team. Okay, if we select the query, we will get the winning goals and match point. And again we have to use the, I will just copy the this query, and we have to use the uh, we have to calculate the match points for losing team ID. Okay, so losing team ID, and we will group it by losing team ID, and sum of goals won by then 0, and match points would be -1. Okay, and again we have to use the union all condition, append these both data. Okay, so I can select and see the out. Okay, the output is -1 because team 101001 have lost 5 match out of their 12 match. Okay, now we will use the CT. Let's give it alias as match CT as, and again select star from match CT. Okay, we will check the output first and then we will move forward. Okay, as you can see the data has been appended. Now what I have to do, I have to use the inner join with uh, team details table. Okay, because we have to get the team name also. We can give alias as, okay, on c dot winning winning team id, winning team underscore id is equal to t dot team underscore id. Okay, and again we have to use the group by condition because we are uh, calculating, we are totaling the winning goals and match points. Okay, so group by winning team id, and instead of star, what I will do, I will use the t dot team underscore name. I think that is the, we'll check the team details table. What is the team? Okay, team underscore name. Okay, t dot team underscore name and c dot winning team underscore id. Okay, and then sum of this match winning goals as final winning goals. Also the sum of match points, match points as final match points. Okay, and then group by c dot team winning id and also t dot team id. Okay, because in the condition we are getting both team name and team id. Okay, now we can see we have the output. Okay, now what we can do, we can we can create some another ct, that is the, let's give it the final ct, because we have to use the dense rank to assign the rank. Okay, now select star comma dense rank over order by this match point descending. Okay, this match point descending and this final willing goals descending as rank. Okay, sorry, rank. Okay, from final underscore ct. Okay, now we will select the query and check. Okay, as you can see, the Philippines pirate is rank number 1, the Nick Maester is rank number 2, Smasher is 3rd, and Sunriser is 4th. Okay, so the output is same as this. So we will just use the rank and team name from dense rank and team name, and we will get the output. Okay, so I will use both three tables, all the three tables. Okay, and so that you can see the output. Okay, this is the first table, second table, and the third table. Okay, so I hope you have understand this query. uh, if not, then do comment, we'll discuss it. Also, if you have some another method to solve this question, do comment. Also, I solve it using one more method, guys. So I have already written the query, so I will just discuss it. Okay. So the thing is, um, I've also created the query. Now in this query I have used the joining condition, and using the case when join and group and also the dense rank condition, we will get the required output. Okay, I will just show it. Now for team 1001, they have total 12 match. Okay, in which they won the 7 match. Okay, as I have explained. Okay, now match point is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 match, and for all 7 match we are getting the total goal wants by. And in if they are losing the match, we are just giving it -1, and we are not calculating any goal won. Okay, so what I have done, I have used the left hand condition to um, join both match record and the team details based on team id, and in which I am using both winning team id and losing team id. Okay, and using the case when statement, case when function, if the team id is equal to winning team id, then I am assigning is 1. Okay, for calculating the match points. And if they are not equal to, so I am giving it -1. Okay, and now for total goal won by, if the team id, if the team is winning, so I am getting the actual goal by actual goals, and if they are losing, so I am just giving it at 0. So what I will do, I will use the sum function to sum it up using the group by condition by t dot team id and t dot team name. Okay, so I will just select it for you guys. So we have got the output. Okay, and after this we will just use the dense rank function using the match point descending in total goal won by descending, and it would assign the ranking. Okay, so Philippines 1, Nick Meester 2nd, Smasher 3rd, and Sunriser 4th. Okay, so I think this is same as uh, this. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have anything to discuss, to comment. Take care.